This is significant figures, going over if you need help on why we use significant figures. A lot of times in science there is a number followed by a zillion other numbers, and we need to know exactly how many significant figures to go by, right? So at this point there's several rules that we can use in order to judge significant figures. So at this point, one of the rules is leading zeros do not count. Okay? The second thing is that captive zeros do count. And 3, trailing zeros only count if it has a decimal point. Okay? So let's just run through some examples. Examples would be 0.000813. And at that point, you can look at the rules and realize, well, it has a bunch of leading zeros. So at this point, these do not count. So I only go out based off the 813. And this has 3 significant figures. Okay? Another example would be 1.0032. At this point, you notice that I have several captive zeros. The zeros are between the 1 and the 3. So at this point, all of these numbers count in your answer. Okay, so this one will have 5 significant figures. Okay, the next one would be like 100.0. Okay, 100.0, notice you have trailing zeros, but notice there is a decimal point. So if there is a decimal point, those count. Okay, each one counts, so you have 4 significant figures. But notice, if on a worksheet or in your lab, you notice that the answer or the problem is only giving you 100 with no decimal point, at this point, you don't count these zeros, you only count the 1, so you have 1 significant figure. Okay? Notice the difference here between the decimal point and no decimal point. Okay, for more information, please come see me or email me. Have a great day.